foam roller exercises you should try now. Are you familiar with foam rollers? Well, if not, this video is made just for you. So make sure to stay tuned so you won't miss your chance to learn about it and how you can use it with some exercise routines. Foam rolling is a form of self-myofascial release, or SMR. It can soothe muscle tension, pain, and inflammation, while also increasing joint range of motion. Foam rolling can be a useful addition to your warm-up or cool-down routines, both before and after exercise. Foam rolling's advantages may differ from person to person, so if you want to start exercising using it, you have landed the perfect spot. Welcome to Health Fruition. In this video, we'll talk about the different foam roller exercises you should try now. What are you waiting for? Let's get rolling. Here are the 9 foam roller exercises you should try now. Number 1. Hamstrings. Hamstrings, another muscle that gets a lot of wear and tears from sitting all day, may need some attention. The tendons, strong bands of tissue of the hamstrings attach the large thigh muscles to the thigh bone. The group of muscles that go from the hip to just below the knee is also referred to as hamstrings. Directions. 1. Once again, sit with your legs spread out on the floor to begin. In this case, place the foam roller directly under your hamstrings. To begin, place your weight on the foam roller and begin to roll softly between the back of your knees and the gluteal area. At least 30 seconds should be spent rolling on the most sensitive areas. Another option is to cross your legs again and work on one hamstring at a time. Number 2. Quads. If your desk work keeps you inactive for most of the day, roll out your quadriceps to stimulate blood flow and maintain muscle tone. Directions. 1. Start in a plank position on your forearms with the roller under your quads. 2. Roll the roller down to just before your knees, relying on your upper body and core for stability. Move in the opposite direction until the hip flexors are in the same position as they were before. 3. Perform this for 30 seconds. 4. When you reach a tender region, remain there for a few breaths. Number 3. Calves. In addition to stretching your calf muscles, try foam rolling them for added spring in your step. Directions. 1. Laying on your back with your legs stretched out in front of you, place the foam roller under your calf muscles and begin rolling out. 2. The foam roller should be able to support your weight as you raise your body. Apply greater pressure by crossing your left leg over your right leg. 3. Slowly roll your right calf back and forth on the foam roller, using your arms to guide your body forth and back. 4. Perform for 30 seconds. 5. Change legs and concentrate on your left calf. Number 4. Upper back. Your poor posture has you down. If you're holding stress in your upper back, a foam roller can help you release it. Directions. 1. Lie and position the foam roller under your upper back. Your knees should be bent and your feet should be flat on the floor. Your arms may be at your side or in front of your chest. 2. Stabilize your core and rise into a shallow bridge position. 3. Your lower neck and mid-back should be rolled slowly, stopping at any tense spots. 4. Repeat for 30 seconds. Number 5. Shoulders. Do your shoulders require movement? Roll out your shoulders to regain mobility. Directions. 1. While lying on your side, place the foam roller beneath your right shoulder. Your lower body can rest comfortably on the ground while your left arm guides movement in front of you. 2. Roll up and down slowly over your deltoid muscle. If necessary, rotate your trunk slightly so that you can also strike a portion of your upper back. 3. Repeat for 30 seconds. 4. switch shoulders and repeat on the left side. Number 6. Neck. You can utilize a foam roller when you get severe headaches, especially those caused by neck tension. This functions as a self-massage that is more powerful than any hand. Directions: 1. Place the top of your neck on the foam roller, which attaches to your head. 2. While keeping the area where you feel tightness in your body, slowly turn your head to the right. 3. Exhale and move your head to the left as you exhale. 4. Repeat for 30 seconds. Number 7. IT band. The IT band comprises connective tissue and extends through the outer thigh from the hip to the knee. Runners commonly experience soreness and tightness in this area, but anyone can benefit from foam rolling. Directions: 1. Insert the foam roller under your right IT band or on the side of your right thigh, starting on your right side. The right forearm bears the brunt of the body's weight. Legs should be straight, with the sole of your right foot situated in front of your left leg. 2. Using your upper body and left leg for support, carefully massage the foam roller and your right IT band between your knee and glute, stopping at any sore points. 3. Repeat for 30 seconds before switching to the left IT band. Number 8. Hip flexors. Prolonged durations of sitting can wreak havoc on the hip flexors. Foam rolling is superior to stretching because it loosens muscle tissue and surrounding connective tissue, fascia. Directions: 1. Begin by assuming a plank posture with your forearms on the foam roller while lying on your back and facing the floor. Ensure that the foam roller is under your left hip flexor and that your right leg is comfortably bent to the side. 2. While resting on your forearms, roll the foam roller slowly up and down and side to side to target the hip flexor, particularly to trigger points. 3. Perform this for 90 seconds. 4. Switch sides and repeat with the right hip flexor. Number 9. Lats. Tight muscles, affectionately known as wings, and positioned on the back just below the armpits, can throw off your posture. Using the foam roller, ensure that the muscles are loose and flexible. Directions: 1. Lie on your back at a 45 degrees angle and position the foam roller underneath your right lat. Maintain your right leg straight and bend your left leg to a comfortable angle. 2. Slowly begin rolling from your right armpit to your mid-back, concentrating on tender areas. 3. Repeat for 30 seconds. 4. Then switch to the left lat roll. Always remember, you can use numerous equipment to accompany you on your fitness journey, as long as you know how to use it, and it benefits you. You can always use it and you're good to go. So what do you think of these foam roller exercises? Do you use it with your daily exercise routines? Let us know in the comments section below. What about sharing your experiences using it? We love to hear from you. Also, feel free to check out our other videos and comment your video suggestions down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of new posts. Remember to take care of your health, and good luck on your fitness journey. See you next time.